Today we're going to be making a Christmas cottage arrangement. The supplies you will need are Christmas mixed greens, carnations, and some Hypericum berries. First, we will start by trimming our foam to fit our container. Once we have our foam in place, we're going to start putting in our mixed green. We're going to use our fir tree or Christmas tree green, and we're going to create something that kind of looks like a turkey tail. We'll put 2 pieces on either side, kind of larger, and then we'll work up to our next turkey feather layer, and it'll be a smaller size. Make sure when you're inserting, you take all the needles off. That way you have a good insertion. And now I have the very tip top of the turkey tail. Once I've done that, I'm going to start adding some to the front to just give it a little bit more depth. And then I'm going to add different types of Christmas greens like pine and this cedar looking green to kind of give different textures. Rule of thumb is the more different types of greeneries that you use, the more texture and depth your arrangement will have. Once I had all my greens in place, I'm just checking to see if there's any other holes that I can fill in with some greens so that the underwear of my arrangement isn't hanging out. Time to add some Hypericum berries. I'm just going to add a few to the back, and then I will add 2 other clusters, kind of creating a triangle in my arrangement. As you can see, back, side, front. Now I'm going to add 3 carnations, and again I'm going to make another triangle. I'll have a smaller insertion in the front, a medium size, and then one standing up tall in the back. Once I have those in place, I notice that there's a few little places where the underwear is hanging out, so let's cover that up with some greenery. Inserting a little pine here, put some more fur in there, and I had a little extra bit of Hypericum berry, and I'm going to stick in the center to fill in that space right there because it just needed a little bit more red right there instead of green. Make sure to check that there's no underwear hanging out. Now that the arrangement is completed, we can add a few things. We can spray it with, of course, Crown and Glory and Leaf Shine. We can make those greens look really shiny. And another thing that we can do is we can add a little bit of snow in a can. Give it that Christmas look. Now that the arrangement is complete, don't forget to advertise for your program. Insert a pic with a business card, and it is ready to go out to make someone happy. I hope you enjoyed this arrangement. Remember to like and subscribe this video.